Jasal Guwahati High Court Kohima Bench Khanbra valid process of recruitment and without publication of advertisement recruit Krugena Thakia police personnel 2018-20 batch 1138 police personnel effect hoja ja kali 150 constable alag unit across Nagaland represent Krugena police headquarter Kohimati peaceful relay organized Kridishem Ja kali 150 constable police silent protest kri dia toili district administration khan approve kora sabji 10 baji bra 11 baji tak bishibak uniform lagaina play card ti why only 2018-20 batch we are covid-19 frontline warriors why only police department why recruitment again we don't want another fraction inika likhina display kri di shame aro ekhanda silent protest kurgina Unit Representation 150 Constable Khan, Director General of Police Rupin Sharma Logina closed door meeting Rakhi Disha Aro Memorandum Submit Kuril Loishakwa Asem. Aro details of Memorandum Police Personnel Khan disclose Kuridanai Aro DGB Logina meeting Kurula Pcheti disperse Kurula Amikhan Dikibo Pare Asem. Nagaland Police Personnel itu silent protest ani thaka toili 2023 unemployed youth Canberra without proper advertisement recruitment kugena thaka challenge kura sab Guwahati bench Kohima High Court khan judgment kuri digena ja sal September moina authority 1138 police personnel 2018-20 batch appoint hatai digena within 6 months of order notun recruitment rakhlo bole issue kuri dia karni आगे आहिना रिवोक कर दिबले डिमांड करि थाका जानिबो पारे आसे आरो बिसि देर डेडलाइन दिगेना आहा रिजनली दिमापुर नागा स्टूडेंट यूनियन DNSU खान हेल्थ केयर सेंटर क्लासरूम ऑक्युपाई करगेना चली थाका मिडलैंड दिमापुरटी जा कालिब्रा अल्टीमेटम सर्व करगेना थाका निसना डिमांड फेल हो जा कारनी मेडिकल केयर सेंटर लॉक अप करगेना राखिलुसे Lok Krida issue toili Health and Family Welfare Department Khan illegally 3 classroom of Government Middle School Midland occupy kurgina Ja salbra vacate kurlo bole appeal kuri aija lipi action nalogina aha itu sal February 18 peaceful demonstration school bahar rakhi disha aro 7 din time digina khali kurlo bole ultimatum serve kurgina thaka nishna action rakhi disha aro lok kridia report pailu ase Aro demand toili immediately restoration of illegal occupy kurgena thaka vacate kurlo bole awas uthai disha aro fesla nakura takti health center ban kuri thakibole kodisha aro judi lok kurgena thaka individual or organization ki bra holebi ahigena kholibole koshish kuri thakse kuli dangor action uthabole warning kuri thaka viewers kange jonai dia ase